The Thirsty Crow. Once upon a time, in a scorching desert, a parched crow named Croaky desperately searched for water. The sun beat down on him, making his feathers feel like they were on fire. His beak was dry and his throat was scratchy. As he flew over the sandy dunes, he spotted a small pitcher nestled among the rocks. Hopeful, Croaky landed beside it and saw that it was almost empty, with just a tiny amount of water at the bottom. Determined to quench his thirst, Croaky began dropping pebbles into the pitcher one by one. With each pebble, the water level rose until finally he could reach it with his beak. Ah, the sweet taste of water! Croaky drank gratefully, feeling his strength and spirits revive. He realized that even small actions can add up to make a big difference. From that day on, Croaky shared his story with fellow birds, inspiring them to work together and use their unique skills to overcome challenges. And the picture became a symbol of creativity, perseverance, and the power of small actions. The end.